Hello, today I want to make another video about Leatherman multi-tools. Last time I made a comparison between the smallest Leathermans, the Squirt series and the Style PS, and today I want to show you two Leatherman Juice tools which are one step up in terms of size. So this is not only a comparison between two different variations of the Juice, the S2 and the C2, but also between two generations, the old version and the new version of the Juice tools. So let's start from the outside. The scales are different. Each model has a distinctive color scheme, but from the old generation they chose both scales in the same color and style. The C2 here I have in gray, but it also came in red, so both sides in red. While for the new line of Juice, it's specific that the one size is in a specific color, here orange for the S2, with the scales with some kind of pattern, and it's a little bit grippy, and the other side is just plain aluminum, same on both sides. So this is the difference from the outside. I will show you the tools. First of all, I show you which tools are the same for both. Again, also they are. So here we have the pliers, decently sized for the overall size of the tool. The handle are a bit short for a full-sized tool, but the pliers themselves could be regarded almost as a full-sized pliers, almost. And then on the one side you have three flathead screwdrivers, a big one, medium one, okay, and a small one. Again, this is the same on all, the S2 and the C2. And on the other side you have a 3D Phillips screwdriver, and on the inside you have a loop for a lanyard or something. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and from the outside, you also on both you have a bottle opener, can opener, and in this case of the C2, it's also assisting the corkscrew. So for opening bottle. Yeah, and the corkscrew is specific for the S2. Instead, no, the C2 I would say. Corkscrew is on the C2. The S2 again has the bottle opener, but instead of the corkscrew it has really nice scissors, which are really decent for a multi-tool. So this is the only difference in terms of the different tools. So scissors in a S2, corkscrew on the C2, and of course both have knives, but the knives are different from the old generation to the new, as you can see here. And the old generation has longer knife blade, and the shape is a bit different too. So you may ask why they chose to have a smaller blade on the new ones. I assume it's because of the TSA regulations, where Leatherman assumed they could get away with a smaller blade, so we could use them on airplanes, but as you know, it's still not allowed to carry knives on, or any blade on a plane. but they already went ahead and started to produce them. So smaller blades on the new generation compared to the old. And you may ask, what's this here? So this is one of maybe a downside of the Juice line. It doesn't have a pocket clip. So I added this Tech Accessories P7 clip, so you can attach it to your belt or to your pants or whatever. Here is another option is you can get a nice leather sheath specifically made for the Juice line. So here, for example, C2. It's really well built and has a clip here. Really nice, but then again it adds a lot to the size and bulk. Yeah, and this is one of the things where you can say that, yeah, the Juice line is somewhere in between. Again, compared to the Squirt, which is really tiny and fits into a coin pocket, the Juice doesn't. Here, for example, the Leatherman Wingman, which is bigger, but not by much. But it already comes with a pocket clip attached. So when you add the sheath, for example, then there's not much difference in size and weight. So, and they are in a similar price class, but obviously the Juice line is a lot better built than the Wingman. Wingman is one of the cheapest Leatherman. And here I also have the Victorinox Pioneer Alux version, which might be considered direct competition to the Juice line. Similar in size, a bit lighter. So yeah, but also without a clip. But you can use this P7 clip here as well. Okay, that's it. That was just a short presentation of the Juice line. These are the basic models, the S2 and the C2, but there's also heavier or wider versions, the CS4 and the XE6, which I don't have because they are a bit too bulky for me. They have a few more tools added, but I think overall the S2 is the best compromise. It has all the basic tools that you need: pliers, knife and scissors, and a few screwdrivers, so you have the basics covered, and it's not too heavy. So this would be my primary choice in the Juice line. Okay, thanks for watching.